Hello guys, how are you? I hope you are doing well. I am also great. Welcome to our channel again. कौन बनेगा इंग्लिश का सिकंदर? So guys, I want to say you, have you ever asked on self? Have you ever asked self? I am able to learn. I am able to talk in English. You should ask for self. Okay, but I would say again, you are able to talk, you are able to learn, you have ability. No, you have, everyone has ability at that time. Every Indian able to learn 4 5 languages. So guys, I want to say you are educated person or you are not educated person. No need to worry to education, big education. No need to read big books. But if you have education, you should implement self. If you don't implement yourself on self, so your degree you can say only paper, wastage paper. Lot of people has a big education, but they don't apply self. It is not good. If you have education, you should implement. Okay. If you implement self 100%, your education will be good, would be good. But if don't implement self, look like you are illiterate. It is my opinion. I don't want to say you are illiterate. You are good education. You have good educated person, but language and education definition totally different. You would have good education, but if you have ability, then you can be success. But if you haven't ability, if you have only education, you can't be success. Education totally different and ability better than education. Lot of people you can say, lot of people you will meet politician, especially I want to talk about politicians. Politician has not, lot of politician has not ability, but uh, sorry, politician has not education. Okay, but they have a lot ability. You can say lot of politicians you will meet illiterate, but they have a good ability. Educated person does work for politician. Yes, guys. So you have, suppose that you have good education, you have good, uh, you can say degree. You should implement self. Okay, then you will be better. Otherwise, your degree only look like paper. Okay. So if you want to achieve any goal, sir, if you have some goal, you should make a plan. Every day, a small plan. Tomorrow, I will wake up tomorrow 6 o'clock. After that, I will go bath. I will go for walk. I will every day. You should make plan if you want to success life. Without plan, you can't achieve any goal. You have to make plan first of all. If you want to success life, Without plan, if you do anything, you can't success entire life. You should not do random here there. You should not watch video, TV, anything random. You should watch valuable content, because if you watch valuable content, your knowledge will be grow. But if you watch sometime movie, sometimes share, sometime lot of thing, so it is not good. You have only one life. You should have one plan. How can build my life? How can grow my life? How can my luck? How can my luck future? How can future will be bright? So you should think anytime, but no need to think enough for think only. You have to make plan. Means if you want to become a doctor, goal is much important. Your goal should be fixed. I want become a businessman. Your goal is perfect. Your goal should be perfect. Your path should be right. Then you will be success. Otherwise, sometime you will think you are thinking sometime I will become doctor, sometime I will become businessman, sometime I will become a cricketer. You can't become anything. So guys, I want to explain you, I want to say you, your goal should be fixed first of all. If you want bright future, so your goal should be fixed. You have any knowledge, if you know anything, if you have education, you should implement self first of all. Okay. Otherwise, your knowledge, your education will be waste. So, guys, if you want to learn speak English, you know, honesty is most important. Honest means no only for you says you should say truth, everything. Honest means honesty for self. Okay. Honesty means for work. Honesty means serious. If you want to achieve anything, you should be honest for you. You should uh, you should believe self.